Oh, haha. I'm loving this box. Oh man, it's the easiest job. Perfect space. Oh man. Whoa. What the? Who are you?
Normally, I don't respond to pushy speakers, but for you, I'll make an exception. I'm analog, mechanical, power. Most people call me AMP. Amp.
Yo, do you know who I am?
No, should I?
Bro, you should know who you're dealing with before you come around here. Yo, I'm 2K, and by the looks of things, you're only 500. You trying to chill with us? You're gonna overheat just trying to keep up.
Yo, I'm AMP. My fans stay on me. I don't get overheated for no one.
Yeah, alright, we'll see.
Yo, is it hot in here or just me?
Bro, you smoking and your light blinking. Can someone turn this fool off before he blow himself up?
Yo, you